Rounding decimals. Most of you should be pretty used to rounding. Let's just quickly recap on what you're supposed to know and supposed to remember. When I'm rounding decimals, what I'm actually doing is I'm finding an approximate value. So I'm not using the exact value. A lot of times these fractions are irrational, which means it just carries on forever. And I can't just keep on writing forever, so I use an approximation. So I'm using a value less than the original value. Now what I'm checking out, what I'm looking for when I'm rounding decimals is we're going to use a word called the critical digit. And the critical digit is the digit straight after, or the one straight after the rounding digit. So we've got critical digit, and the other word we use is the rounding digit. So if I say in this value, well, that's an ugly G. If I say that in this value we've got, I want you to round to 2 decimal places. We look at the decimal, 2 places, then this is the rounding digit. So this is the rounding digit. The critical digit is the digit straight after that, so that one will be your critical digit. Okay, so rounding 2 digits, or rounding digit is the one that we round to. The critical digit is the one that we looked for. And this is the following rules that I follow when I round. If the critical digit, so critical digit, CD, the critical digit is less than 5. So if the critical digit is less than 5, which means it's 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, we are rounding down. If the critical digit is 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, we round up. Okay, so if we look at this value, and we say to 2 decimal places, I will round to 2 decimal places. My critical digit is 7. 7 is greater than 5 and up, so this will become 51.35. If I say to 1 decimal place, there's my decimal, that's my first decimal place. Then 4 becomes the critical digit. 4 is less than 5, which means this will stay 51.3. I'll round down to 51.3.